In this video, we will show you how to navigate to a waypoint on a Garmin Chartplotter. First, go to Nav Chart. Move to the waypoint you want to go. Press Select. Go to creates a straight line route from your current location to the destination. The distance left, arrival time, off-course distance, and bearing will show. But there may be a problem. The route passes across land. Go to is great for creating a quick route if you are offshore or out in open water. So let's try a different approach. Route to. Move to the location you want to turn. Select Add Turn to add another turn. After moving to the final turn, select Down. The navigation will start. Next, how to select a waypoint from the waypoints list and then navigate. Select Nav Info. User Data. Marks and waypoints. Press the focus key to switch to the left window. Choose the waypoint you want to go. Select Navigate to. Choose a navigation way to start. Lastly, let's introduce a feature that will impress you: auto guidance. But if you want to use this feature, a blue G2 vision card is needed. Contact the dealer in your region to buy one. With a vision card, the Garmin Chartplotter can automatically calculate the best route based on your auto guidance safety settings. Now, there is a new navigation option, auto guidance. Select it, and the Chartplotter will calculate the best route for you. Just follow the route and you will arrive at the destination safely and easily. Thank you for watching.